Hello students, we were discussing relation and functions. We shall continue the topic. We have already seen what is a Cartesian product. We have seen what is relation. Now let us see what is function. A relation f from a set A to set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. Every element in set A must have only one image in the set B. That means in Cartesian product, first element should have only one ordered pair with the second element in a set B. There should not be two ordered pairs of first element having same first element. In other words, a function from A to B is a rule. It can also be said as a rule which associates to each element A of set A unique element B of set B. Unique means only one element of set B. ठीक है? That is function. Now we have some examples where we can differentiate which is a function, which is not a function. Now let us see in set A. We have four elements A, B, C, D. In set B, we have five elements A, P, Q, R, S, T. In this figure, A is related to Q, A is related to Q, and B is related to P, and C is related to R, and D is related to T. That means A element of A set has only one image in B set. B also has only one image. C also has one image. D has one image. The first criteria for a set to be a relation to be a function is every element of set A must have an image in set B. Number 2, there should not be any element in set A which is not related to B. A सेट के अंदर ऐसा कोई एलिमेंट नहीं होना चाहिए जिसकी इमेज बी सेट में नहीं हो. ठीक है? दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्राइटेरिया. सेकंड क्राइटेरिया, एक एलिमेंट के दो इमेज नहीं होने चाहिए. फर्स्ट सेट के एक एलिमेंट के दो इमेज नहीं होने चाहिए. दीज आर द टू बेसिक कंडीशन विच हैज टू बी सेटिस्फाइड बाय एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेट ए so that the given relation is a function. So this is a function. Now second one, look here. A is related to only one element. B is related to only one element P. C is related to only one element R, and D is also related to only one element R. Here we have A and B, A and D both have same image. This is allowed in a function. A and D of set A can have common image because A has unique image S and D also has a unique image S. क्योंकि A और D की एक ही इमेज है, वो सेम हो सकती है. That is not at all a problem. Therefore, this is also a function. Next, here A is related to P as well as R. Therefore, it has two image. Element of set A has two image. So first criteria is violated. Therefore, this is not a function. This is not a function. Now look here. Second case. A is related to S, unique element, no problem. B is related to Q, unique element, no problem. C has no image. C has no image in set B, therefore this is not a function. We cannot have an empty element in set A. Set A में खाली एलिमेंट नहीं जाना चाहिए. अगर खाली जाता है तो इट इज नॉट अ फंक्शन. सेट A के एलिमेंट की दो इमेज नहीं होनी चाहिए. अगर होता है तो वो फंक्शन नहीं है. तो बेसिकली फंक्शन इज अ स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ रिलेशन in which two criteria has to be satisfied. First criteria is every element of set A is related to a unique element in set B, and no element of set A should be empty, that is without any image in set B. Understood? So this is the function. Key features of the functions. फंक्शन के की फीचर्स जो हमने अभी पढ़ा है वही की फीचर्स है. टू एवरी एलिमेंट ए बिलोंगिंग टू सेट ए देयर एग्जिस्ट ए यूनिक एलिमेंट इन सेट बी. नो प्रॉब्लम. एक एलिमेंट का ए की इमेज होगी. नो एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट ए कैन हैव मोर देन वन इमेजेस इन सेट बी. एक से ज्यादा इमेज नहीं हो सकती. दैट इज नॉट एट ऑल अलाउड. देयर मे बी एलिमेंट्स ऑफ बी which are not associated with any element of A. B सेट के अंदर खाली एलिमेंट जा सकता है. A सेट के अंदर नहीं जा सकता. A सेट के अंदर खाली जाता है. It is not a function. Even if we have empty element in set B, it is still a function. Distinct elements of A may have same image in B. तो ए सेट के हमने देखा था दो एलिमेंट की सेम इमेज हो सकती है बी के अंदर. फिर भी हम काउंट करेंगे कि दोनों की यूनिक इमेजेस है. सो इट इज अलाउड. सो दीज आर द की फीचर्स ऑफ द फंक्शन. नाउ लेट अस सी सम एग्जांपल. एग्जांपल नंबर 1. Examine each of the following relations given below and state in each case giving reason whether it is a function or not. इस तरीके से ऑर्डर्ड पेयर में गिवन हो तो इट इज वेरी सिंपल टू आइडेंटिफाई वेदर इट इज अ फंक्शन और नॉट. लुक एट द फर्स्ट वन. आपको सिर्फ इतना देखना है कि ऑर्डर्ड पेयर में फर्स्ट एलिमेंट रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर रिपीट हो जाता है इट इज नॉट अ फंक्शन. देयरफॉर हियर 2, 3, 4 यहाँ पे फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज नॉट रिपीटेड. Therefore, it is a function. Now look into the second one. Here 2, here also 2. Therefore, it is repeated. That means 2 element of set A has 2 images here, which is not allowed in a function. Therefore, it is not a function. It is not a function. So first one is a function, second one is not a function. Now look at the third one. R. 1 is related to 2, 2 is related to 3, 3 is 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. Here bracket is missing. Therefore here every element has a different image in set B. Therefore it is also a function. It is also a function. No first element is repeated. Therefore it is also a function. Now let us look at the second question. Let n be a set of natural number. We know natural numbers. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. So we have a set of natural numbers and a relation R be defined on n by R. So first we understand what is the question. N be a set of natural number. Therefore our first set is set of natural number. A set consists of natural number, that is 1 to infinity, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Similarly we have another set, because here given n be a set of natural numbers and the relation R be defined on n. Therefore our B set is also natural number. Yes. Now relation is defined as, that is, the relation between set A and B is defined by a relation y is equal to 2x, where x, y belongs to natural number. Therefore, x comes from the set A and y goes to set B. Yes, relation is y is equal to 2x. My first value for x is 1. Yes, so if I replace x by 1, what will I get? I'll get 2. Do I have 2 in set B? Yes, I have. If I replace this x by 2, what will I get? 4. x की वैल्यू रखता जाऊंगा, पहले 1 रखा, फिर 2 रखा, 2 रखूंगा तो I'll get 4. क्या 2 4 है? Therefore 2 is related to 4, 1 is related to 2, and if I replace this 1 by 3, I'll get 6. इस तरीके से ये 6 को रिलेटेड रहेगा. इस तरीके से एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट ए हैज अ यूनिक इमेज इन सेट बी. तो पहली कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइड. दूसरी बात, देयर इज नो एम्प्टी एलिमेंट इन सेट ए, therefore it is a function. Therefore it is a function. Yes, we shall continue the types of function in the next video. Till then, bye bye.